In this digital exam question, we're being asked to solve for x given a visual model of the equation. Once you have your equation written, you can use your TI-84 to solve for x. Press the Math button and arrow up to find option C, Numerical Solver. You're going to enter both sides of your equation. The first side is going to be negative 3x plus 4, and you want to make sure you're using your negative button instead of minus. Press enter to get down to the second side of the equation, which is negative 2x plus 1, and hit this soft tab key to click OK. And you're going to click Graph again to solve, and the correct answer is x equals 3.